Hey, what's up everyone? John Diggle here for Universal Talents and welcome to an exciting 3D modeling tutorial right here on YouTube. Today we're diving into Autodesk Maya 2019 and we're going to build a racing car rim by Volk Racing. Now, aside from Inke, I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but it's being one of my favorite brands for racing rims. I absolutely love the rim design for Volk Racing. It's actually inspired me to build this rim in 3D, which in my opinion is really simple to create if you know how to work with 3ds Max, Maya, or any other 3D program. Today, in these quick modules, I'm going to show my collective knowledge on how to build your very own Volk Racing rim. Now, before we get started, it's best to grab as many reference materials as you can. Now, I usually go through Google and I type in specific brands of rims that I'm actually looking for, such as Volk Racing rims, and I save multiple images. So the mission right now is to find and save a minimum of 10 racing rim images, preferably of the same brand and same type of rim. Then, in the next module on this playlist, we'll get started on adding our reference image plane into the project as well as creating a project folder to save our work. So go ahead, find some images, and I'll see you in the next module.